Yo, what's up YouTube? XP Marketing with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make extra $300 per day on CPA Grip using URL file lockers. Alright, so if you want to learn how to do this, then keep watching. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website called telegrouplink.com. So it has over 1,000 Telegram groups that you can join. I've been using it for a while and it's really profitable. Alright, as long as you do it the right way. So let's say you want to check out one of these groups. Alright, let's take this crypto guide. As you can see, it has over 85,000 members in this group. So what you're going to be doing, and I'm just going to be demonstrating with this crypto group. Alright, so you can apply this approach to any of these groups that you're going to be joining. So the first thing you want to do now is the next thing you want to do is go to answerthepublic.com. This is answerthepublic.com. Then let's say you want to go with this crypto group, Bitcoin group. So once you come to answerthepublic.com, then you want to type in Bitcoin, and I'm going to be explaining why you need to do this. Alright, so once it opens up, then you want to click on this data. So the page has opened up. The reason why you're going to come to this page is you don't want to join these groups and then straight up spamming them. You want to first of all give them as much value as you can, so that when you start promoting your link, they will be more than willing to complete your content locker. Alright, so once you search for Bitcoin on answerthepublic.com, then you want to look for any question, right? So let's look for a question real quick. So let's take this question, for example: which Bitcoin miner is the most profitable? And then you want to come to Google. So you want to go with this first one, of course, because it's on top of the page, means it's a really good article. So the next thing you want to do is copy everything on this page. So once you're done copying everything on this page, then you want to go to Google site real quick, then create a blank page. Alright, so you copy this and then you want to paste it in here. Of course, this is just for demonstration. You want to make sure you do everything properly, you align it properly, so we don't make this video too long. I'm just going to leave it like this, but ideally you want to make sure everything looks really professional. Alright, so the next thing you want to do after copying the header of the page, then you want to copy the article. And like I said, you can do this for any niche. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin niche. So you go back to your Google site and then you paste in the article, and then you want to grab the image. Okay, this page doesn't have any image we can use, so we can just basically go to Google and type in Bitcoin, and then we go to images. So let's use another image and click on this and copy image address. Okay, these images are not working, don't know why, but let me just download this image. So let me go back to the website and upload the image. So basically that's all you want to do on the page. You don't want to link anything on this page to your content locker or to any CPA office. So once you're done getting your first article, you want to download the Telegram app on your mobile phone, right? You can go to the App Store. Telegram is free. You can download it and install it. So once you install it, you create an account with it, you will be able to join any of these groups. So once you've joined this group, you don't want to start spamming in the group, because they'll kick you out of the group if you do that. So the first thing you want to do when you get into the group, you should at least wait for about 12 hours before you do anything in the groups. So once 12 hours is passed, then you want to start giving value in the group, at least 3 posts per day, which is going to be a value post. As you can see, this post says Bitcoin mining is suddenly one of the most profitable business on planet. Right, as you can see, this is a Bitcoin group. Definitely these people will be interested in this article. So once you publish this article right on this page, then you're going to share it to the Telegram group. And also, if you notice, we didn't include any link in this page, right? So that's what you want to do. You don't want to have any link on this page, because if you do so, people will know you are just trying to promote your content local, right? So you're not going to you're not going to be promoting anything. Basically, you want to do this process for about 3 times. So once you've done that, then you can go back to your CPA group and create a content locker bit miners, right? So if you go to CPA group template, you'll be able to find this. If you just go to CPA group template, just come to the search bar and type in Bitcoin. It's going to bring you to this place, so you can just copy the CSS code. If you click on this, then you go to style, you can see custom CSS, you paste it in there, and then if you scroll down, you'll see HTML. This is for the HTML. You copy that as well, and then come to HTML and paste it in there. That's all you need to do. So once you've made the 3 posts in the Telegram group, then the 4th post is going to be a post linking to this locker. So if you are not going with the Bitcoin, you can just come to IDPLR as well. Alright, you can come to IDPLR. Let's say maybe you are promoting motivational niche. Maybe in the motivational niche, you can just come to IDPLR and type in motivation. As you can see, there's a lot of products of motivation that you can promote to those who are interested in motivation. So literally the list is endless with what you can do with these groups, right? So basically that's all you need to do. Join the Telegram group. So once you join the Telegram group, then you give value after the first 12 hours. So once you've given them about 3 values, then you can start promoting your article. That is how I've been able to make consistent $300 a day. This is one of my traffic sources I'm giving away for free on the channel. Alright, and if you find any value in this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, look around the channel, you'll definitely find other videos that will help you out. And having said that, I'll see you in the next video.